So, guys, this is Big Papa, and before with Jamaican versions, okay, we do an international version, and then we do the Jamaican version, okay. Uh, Today we're gonna be doing Chandelier by Saya and the Jamaican version by Amina, okay. These are not two artists that I'm familiar with, but I decided to do something a little bit more modern this time around. But before we go any further, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and also comment on the videos, okay? So, as I said, here we go with Saya version. That's her version of Chandelier.
Party girls, don't get hurt, can't feel anything. And we like Lauren, I push it down, push it down. I'm the one for a good time call, phone's blowing up. Bring on my doorbell, I feel the love, I feel the love. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. Turn back till I know sound. Gonna swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier. Gonna live like tomorrow doesn't exist, like it doesn't
Well, still waiting to see her swinging from that chandelier. She's doing everything except swinging from a chandelier. But yeah, I'm still waiting. As you can see, she's very physical. She looks like those ballerina types. So still waiting. Hopefully, we see her swinging literally from a chandelier.
gotta get out now, gotta run from this. Here comes the shade, here comes the shade. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. Turn back till I know sound. Gonna swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier.
Well, guys, she still hasn't swung from that chandelier. But as you can see, she's real physical. She's one of those ballerina type dancing and all of that. So well, but she still didn't swing from that chandelier. I guess I'm gonna wait for next minute for her to do that. But here we go. I'm gonna be playing Amina version of this song. So here we go with Amina version of this. So as I said, now it's Amina turn, the Jamaican version of Chandelier. So here we go, Amina.
Don't get hurt, can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, push it down.
Yo, so I mean, you know, swing from the chandelier to what? Yo, she not studio still, so I think no chandelier there, but she's more static than Shia. Shia was moving around like a ballerina while I mean, I say like just vibing to the music in the studio. So, and yeah, she has a nice, powerful voice. Okay, and it's a nice song. I like the big reggae rhythm in it, and yeah, it's a lovely song. So, let's continue listening to a few more lines from this song. Okay.
I'm on the mess, gotta get up now, gotta run from this. Here comes the shame, here comes the shame. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Going back till I lose down. Running through it, the chandelier, from the chandelier. Gonna live like tomorrow doesn't exist, like it doesn't exist. Gonna fly through my desert running through it, the chandelier, from the chandelier. But I'm holding on for dear life. Won't look down, won't open my eyes. Keep my glass full till morning light. 'Cause I'm just holding on for tonight. Help me, I'm holding on for dear life. Won't look down, won't open my eyes. Keep my glass full till morning light. 'Cause I'm just holding on for tonight. On for tonight, on for tonight. Yes, I'm just holding on for tonight. Oh, I'm just holding on for tonight. On for tonight, on for tonight. Yes, I'm just holding.
Well, I'm gonna cut it there because both these ladies are not gonna be swinging from no chandelier. So I'm like wondering why. Yeah. But as I said, this is Big Papa signing out. So guys, tell me what you think about the song. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay. Thank you. This is Big Papa signing out.